This is a nice little back route from Vernon to Kelowna. A good way to avoid the highway. And avoiding the highway is always a good thing on a motorcycle. At least in my mind it is. These little back roads, they're a joy to ride. For a long time I didn't realize this route existed. I'd go out West Side Road from Kelowna and I'd go to Vernon, and then I figured I'd had to go back on the highway. But I don't. I can take this beautiful little route. Yeah, it always pays to seek out these little back routes. Get your map out, have a gander, see what you can find. Because it's about 40 miles from Kelowna to Vernon, give or take. So to find a little route like this to do it on is definitely worth your while. 40 miles of highway avoided. Not that our highways are anything terrible at all, but I prefer this. You know, I see lots of videos on riders congregating around certain routes, you know, the popular riding routes. And you hear of the famous ones, Tail of the Dragon and such. But I suspect in a lot of areas there's beautiful, rural, twisty roads. You just have to find them. I know here in British Columbia there's just tons of them. I mean, here it's harder to find a straight road than it is to find a winding run. It's a result of the terrain. It's easier to go around a mountain than through it. So I am a big advocate of rural roads, back routes, alternate routes. They just provide more interest and pleasure. At least to me they do. I can feel the cool breeze off the lake here, and it's nice because this is a hot day. This area here is a nice residential strip along the lake. Can't always ride fast on these back routes, but riding fast isn't always what you want to do anyway. It can be nice just to relax, ride slower, appreciate the surroundings, breathe the fresh air. It's all good. I mean, when you're just out for a ride, is there really any place you need to be but here and now? It's pretty awesome to crack the throttle and get the speed up, but it's also pretty awesome just to lay back. Lay back and relax and ride. Attentively, of course. There's no time for la la land on a motorcycle. So yeah, backroads, always a preference. But you got to search them out. You got to find them. And then you got to ride them. Anyway, I think that's all I got for you today. Just some thoughts on the joy of riding backroads, especially twisty ones. And bonus if they're scenic. Anyway, you guys, you enjoy your ride. Have fun. Ride safe. And I'll catch you on the flip side.